Sister Mariza Galang. Her life verse is 2 Corinthians 5:17. Kaya't kung nakipag-isa na kay Kristo ang isang tao, isa na siyang bagong nilalang. Wala na ang dati niyang pagkatao, sa halip, ito'y napalitan na ng bago. Brother Edwin Romero. His life verse is Ephesians 2 verses 8 to 9. For it is by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not from yourselves, it is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. Sister Flora Vicencio. Her life verse is Matthew 18 verses 21 to 20. Nang magkagayo lumapit si Pedro at sinabi sa kanya, Panginoon, makailang magkakasala ang aking kapatid laban sa akin na siya'y aking patatawarin. Hanggang sa makapito, sinabi sa kanya ni Jesus, hindi ko sinasabi sa iyo hanggang sa makapito, kundi hanggang sa makapitumpung pito. Brother James Norman Vicencio. His life verse is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things with him who gives me strength.
Therefore, let us all ask that we may be well instructed in the truth of God, so that we may be able to teach others also.